Hey guys, last year LASFIT sent me a full set of LEDs for Silva, and I wanted to do a 1-year review on the headlights. I wanted to show you guys a good example of what these lights do, and so let me flip you guys around. So we're still underneath the gas station, and like I'll show you guys, we're pulled underneath the gas station. But I just want to show you the difference between the low lights and the bright lights, kind of shining off into the distance there. Pretty significant change over stock. I'll see if I can find some old video and show you guys just the difference. So I want to put you guys right back here and see if we can maybe drive a little bit, just so you can see how the light's thrown from these LEDs. It's pretty impressive. And so that's bright lights, and that's the low beams. If we can get it to focus there. So low beams, brights, low beams. And what you just saw right there with them flashing, they do that on the start stop, and so that's like the only complaint from the headlights is that one fact. Like whenever the trucks does the auto start stop thing, the headlights flash a little bit, so people may think that I'm flashing them when I'm not. It's just the auto start stop. So that's quite literally the only complaint that I have with these headlights. After a year, they've worked great. So we put about 20,000 miles on them in the past year. 2025 was a little lower mileage year for me, but these headlights are working great. I've not had any of the LEDs burn out or give me a minute of problem. They were a little pain in the butt to install. I'll try to link back to the video where I did that. You don't actually have to do it the way that I did it, but my hands are just way large and have a hard time getting in some of the tight spaces to change the bulbs. But yeah, if you're interested in these lights, I've replaced the license plate lights, I've replaced the backup lights, the low beams and the high beams with the LASFIT LEDs, and they're working great for me. I do recommend them. They're a little expensive, but I think they're the best on the market for an aftermarket LED. So if you've got a work truck trim or a custom trim that has the factory halogen lights, these are a great upgrade over that, minus the one little hiccup where they do the little flash at the auto start stop. Anyway, link to my LASFIT affiliate link is in the description below, and if you have any questions, just let me know. I would love to answer them for you. But yeah, no complaints. They work as advertised, and they're doing a great job. Thanks, guys.